arms around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Jabara. It's Barb. So today we're gonna start here in the bedroom. I know we never do this on this channel, but I really wanted to get in here and tidy up. These videos were filmed on 2 separate days. That's why I'm wearing something different. Never ever compare yourself to us. On YouTube, it's edited and we don't always get to everything. You don't see everything in our home in every video. So just because my room's put together or everything else is nice and neat, that doesn't mean I don't have a cluster of things in another room put away, out of sight, out of mind. So never compare yourself to me. I am not perfect when it comes to housekeeping. So really quick, I wanted to talk to y'all about Dossier. As y'all know, I have worked with them so many times and I absolutely love their perfumes, their colognes. They're amazing. They are now present in Walmart. Can y'all believe that? So you can just go to your local Walmart, see if they have these. You will not be disappointed. This one is the Ambery Cherry and it's inspired by Tom Ford Lost Cherry perfume. 18% concentration. With Dossier, you can return the product within 30 days. If you try it and you don't like the smell, you can always just send it back. I really enjoy this one. Y'all know I have so many, but this one's really good too. I'm so glad I chose that one. And then I got my husband the Musky Oak Moss, which smells really good. It's inspired by Creed. So yeah, definitely check them out. You can see that he's used some of this one already. He really likes all of the colognes for the men. So if you're looking for gift ideas or whatever, this is a really affordable but good quality perfume and cologne that you can go try out. So there's no price markups with this perfume, which is why the packaging is really simple and sleek. But I like the simple, sleek packaging. I like to display these. I have them in my closet, and whenever I'm dressed and ready to go, I always spray on some of these. So I like to keep mine all in the closet here, so when I'm getting dressed for the day, I can just spray them. I usually keep my husband's on this side. I'm gonna put his other one here. So these are his favorites. So if you're looking for a gift for a guy, I would definitely recommend these, or anyone who likes to wear a cologne scent. They smell so good. This is probably his favorite, the Woody Sandalwood. And then over here, my favorite, I just got this one and it's one of my favorites. The Citrus Green Apple is really good. I use quite a bit of the Fruity Almond. That's one of my favorites as well. I like the Fruity Brown Sugar. Ambery Vanilla was a hit for me. Yeah, so, and then let me add the Ambery Cherry here because I do like this one as well. You can see I've used some of that one too. So yeah, I will have all this linked down below, but like I said, you can also go check these out at Walmart, and they make really cute gifts. And then you have, you know, the packaging, you have the box that it comes in and all that. I'm not sure how it is in Walmart, but when I get sent the packages, so I'll have to go check that out though. That's so cool that they're in Walmart now. But yeah, so go check out Dossier. Thank you, Dossier, for sponsoring this portion of today's video and all that stuff. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and keep cleaning.
Conversations with you.
So I know a lot of y'all are wondering what's with the TV bracket on the wall there. Our in-laws actually gave us this TV, and me and my husband always joke because we, in our living room and in our bedroom, we have the smallest TVs. Like, out of all of our friends and family, we go to their house and they have these big, massive televisions, and we just do not. Maybe one day we will. We just, I don't know, it's not ever like top priority with us. Especially me. I'm not a TV person. I'm not a movie person. I like to listen to books. I'm kind of a dork. And yeah, I just really don't pay that much attention to TV unless I'm watching a show or something like that. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put some laundry away really quick. I did not want to let this pile up, especially since we're going to be leaving out of town soon. I wanted everything to be nice and organized.
Leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So if you've been subscribed for a while, or like you are used to this mess I make with my makeup, my hair, my clothes, I am a mess when I get ready. I do not put things away right away, and that's because I have too much stuff. So I'm still on this, like, I need to declutter and purge more items, and just everything that I don't use, I need to get rid of it, and I'm still working on that. So like starting next year, at the beginning of the year, I'm going to start purging a bunch of stuff again, getting rid of a lot of stuff I don't use. I really only wear about 4 or 5 things on my face every day, but I have, I don't know, probably 30 items in the makeup drawer and that I never use. So I need to start getting rid of stuff like that. I just always, like, it is weird though, because, you know, maybe if you're into makeup, you know that like your skin texture changes, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, depending on the products and all that stuff. So I'm always hanging on to stuff that I need to just really let go of. So I'm hoping I can do that at the beginning of this next year. I am loving the Christmas decor. At the same time, I'm imagining my house clean and clear of everything that's visually cluttering my mind. So I have been wanting to, when we get back from town, I just right away want to take the Christmas stuff down, just because I need that mental clarity and to have my house just super nothing there. I do want to start collecting real plants this year, so I have made it a point with myself that I'm not going to be putting out a lot of decor unless it's something beneficial, like a real plant, and something that can be visually stimulating but also be helping, you know, clean the air, and, you know, just stuff like that. I want to start thinking about that kind of stuff more. And I've just kind of lost my feel for the fake plants and stuff. I really just want real plants in the house. So we'll be working on that next year as well. But yeah, now I'm just going to clean this whole kitchen. It was destroyed. It usually is. There's 5 of us living here, so we go through dishes like crazy, and the kitchen usually looks like this every day. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and load the dishwasher.
I don't want to be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 front porch sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey.
So now we're done with the dishes. We're going to go ahead and clean off the countertop so I can wipe them all down and get it nice and neat in here again. So how are y'all feeling about Christmas this year? Are y'all excited? Are you ready for it to be over with? I kind of am. I love Christmas though. It is my favorite holiday, but yeah, I just get really stressed out. And like I said, having all this stuff in the house, because I love to decorate for Christmas, it's just a lot. It becomes a lot after a while, especially with the messes accumulating over the decor. It's too much, which is why like throughout the year, I usually don't like to have a lot of decor out or in my house, because I just feel like we have enough stuff going on without all that. So I don't know. Let me know how y'all feel about that down in the comments. Like next year is my year of like, I really want to start my minimalism journey again and try to get rid of as much stuff as I'm not using, quit hoarding. My husband went in the laundry room the other day. I finally got it cleaned, but he was like, this is crazy. Cause I had stuff piled on the washer and dryer with nowhere to put it. I'm like that. I always think I'm going to need it for something else. And it never happens. I never touch it. It just sits there and acquires dust. So yeah, this next year, I hope y'all are ready for it. And if you want to see my little journey into more minimalism, then stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new here. If you like videos like these, I usually just, I try to be real with y'all. Try to bring y'all the real life cleaning motivation. I have a lot of friends, and when I go to their houses, they're never spotless and perfect and all that stuff. And so I feel like we're all just trying to get by, especially these days. Women, or both, I shouldn't say just women, both partners have to work usually, and so it's hard. We're not focused on all the daily things that we need to focus on, or maybe we're focused on it, we just don't have the time to deal with it. So I never, like I said, want y'all to feel bad or anything about how clean, like you think I'm cleaning. This is therapy for me. Honestly, just cleaning my house is therapy for me. But there are times when I just don't want to deal with it, don't want to do it, and we all have those days.
Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me crime. To get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, Breathing out air.
So now that we're just about done cleaning the dining room, the last thing I'm going to do is vacuum and then steam mop the floors. I always get questions about the steam mop. I have that link down below in my description box if you want to go check it out. They are on Amazon, and yes, I can attest it's a really good steam mop. I use it every time I clean the floors, so I really like it. And the steam mop, it just seems like it's cleaner. It keeps the floors cleaner. Sometimes when I mop with just a regular mop, I feel like it's still dirty, or it's just moving dirt around. I don't know. It's just weird for me. And the steam mop has really helped with keeping the floors clean. So I like that one a lot more. But yeah, I have it linked down in the description. So go check that out if you want to. Also, thank you, Dossier, for sponsoring that part of today's video. And like I said, guys, I will have them linked down below as well. So it's easy for you to get to their website and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and get off of here and go do some other stuff. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe.